Ooh, light.
It's okay, Ethan.
Oh.
Ask Ethan if he wants to get down.
Want to get down? Want to get down?
Are you scared?
Scared me? Let me whisper.
Look. Do you want to get down?
Want to get down? Get down?
Are you scared? Why? What's wrong? What? I can't hear you. Tell Mommy. What's scary? The lights? No, go play. Go run to the car. Go play. It's okay. Go play. Help. What's scary, baby?
The fireworks.
Lights? Those are fun. You're searching for them.